Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a battery of a car transmitter electric key. So first of all, we have to remove the metal key, pushing on the metal key holding button and twist the metal key, placing the key head on the transmitter cover hole. Now we can see the transmitter circuit and the battery, and remove the battery and replace by a new battery. Place the new battery in the battery slot and push on it. And carefully place the transmitter circuit on the transmitter cover. And push the metal key in its slot.